Mike Innovative Door. We're going to show you the Hormann 8200 aluminum wood tone. That's right, aluminum. You cannot tell that this is not wood. Look at that. Look at the beauty and richness and tones with this. This company has hit the ball out of the ballpark with this. Inserts are totally rigid, built in. They're not clip-ons or nothing. That cheesy stuff. Insulated tempered glass. This door is approximately 2 inches thick. It is insulated. You can see right there. Styrene insulated. That's the only way you can get it. But you know what? A little insulation is going to go a long way here. You got the 3.5 inch bottom rubber. You got all long stem nylon ball wheels. Okay. You got the heavy duty bottom fixtures with the pins through it. Angle mount. It's a lock nut. We had to rehook the Sears opener, but it is what it is. For all your garage door needs, call Innovative Door 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Check the link for further description and details underneath. Door is awesome. 3-section high. If I can get the video finished here, as always. I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our Hormann 8200 aluminum wood tone garage door video. Awesome door. Praise the Lord.